Now we'll go into how to use conversion cycles. So in this one, we'll go into days inventory outstanding. First, we have to do our average inventory. So we'll take our inventory from time 0 and time 1, add them together, and then divide by 2. And that will give us this average of $6,075 in inventory. And then we'll take that average inventory and divide it by this, which adjusts and creates a daily rate of cost of goods sold. So we'll take that 6,075 and divide it by this 66,000 divided by 365, and that's going to give us 33.6, which means that our average inventory days inventory outstanding is 33 days, roughly 34 days. So the next one we'll go over is inventory turnover. So this is how many times, in this example, within a year, we actually turned over our whole inventory. So we'll take that cost of goods sold, and then we'll take that and divide it by our change in inventory. In this case, we didn't have any inventory in 2023, so our change in inventory will actually just be our inventory, which is this 10,650. So we're going to take that 66,000, which is our total cost of goods sold for the year, and divide it by that 10,650, and then that gives us a 6.197, which means that we had to turn over our entire inventory about 6 times during this year to actually keep up with demand. Now we have our receivables turnover. So in this one, we have our revenue, our sales revenue, and we're going to divide it by our accounts receivable. And in this case, it is going to give us 5.33.
My name is Rick Haskell, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video as part of the Bill and Vieve Gore School of Business's Business Certificate Series. I'm a finance professor in the business school, where I'm also the director for the college's Center for Financial Wellness. The Business Certificate Series is offered through the Center as part of our outreach through the Gore School of Business. You can follow us on social media through Westminster's Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook pages. You can use the QR codes provided or simply go to these websites. Thank you.